transportation problem. We have already seen in our previous lecture northwest corner method and least fast method. Both methods are based on the balanced transportation problem. And the next method is BAM method, that means Vogel's approximation method. In the Vogel's approximation method, first we find the row penalty and column penalty. And in this method, the conditions are same. That means what? Here, the supply and demands are equal. That means what? First we check the supply and demand. So here 7 plus 9 16 plus 18 is equal to 34. And the demand is what? 5 plus 8 13 plus 7 20 plus 14 is equal to 34. That means our first condition is satisfied. Here supply and demands are equal. And our second condition is what? Second condition is n plus n minus 1. And that means row. And that means column. So here are 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. That means 3 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 6. That means in this method we have total 6 allocation. Okay, so let's start the Vogel's approximation method. From first we find the in this method row penalty. Okay, in this method first we find the row penalty and here we write column penalty. Okay, first we write here the row penalty and here the column penalty. So first we find the first row penalty. So what is the method for finding the first row penalty? So here in the first row, because of we find the row penalty, so first we use the row. So in the first row, first you choose the first minimum number, first lowest number. So first lowest number in this row is 10. These values are supplies and demands. So don't be used in this value. Okay. Only the supply or demand cell we use for finding the row penalty and column penalty. Okay. So here the first minimum number is 10 and the second minimum number or lowest number is what? 19. So 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. This is our first row penalty. Okay. In the second row, the first lowest value is what? 30 and the second value is what? 40. So 40 minus 30 is equal to what? 10. Got it? First lowest value is 8 and the second value is 20. So 20 minus 8 is equal to what? 12. Got it? After that, we find in the column penalty, the process is same. That means what? Here, the minimum first lowest value is 19 and the second lowest value is 14. So here we write 14 minus 19 is equal to what? 14 minus 19 is equal to 21. This is our first column penalty. Okay. In the second column, our first lowest value is 8 and the second lowest value is 30. So 30 minus 8 is 22. Got it? Here, the first lowest value is 40 and the second value is 50. So 50 minus 40, 10. Okay. Here again, the first lowest value is 10 and the second is 20. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Okay. So this is the process for finding the row penalty and column penalty. So we allocate the number. Before we allocate the number, first you find the row penalty and column penalty, and after that we allocate the number. After that, in the row penalty and column penalty, we choose the largest value. Okay, so this is the row penalty and this is the column penalty. So what is the largest value? Largest value is 22. That means what? According to this penalty, we confirm that our allocation is in the second column. Got it? So we find the maximum number 22. 22 according to our second column. So this is the confirm that our allocation is in the second column. Okay. So in the second column, first we choose the minimum number. So in the second column, minimum number is 8. Obviously, so our allocation is in this cell. Okay. So here supply is 18 and the demand is 8. Rule is 10. Always put here the minimum number. So we put here 8 number. Okay, each 8 we write here 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. Okay, so our second column is cancelled. That means this column is what? Cancelled. Okay, next allocation again we find the second row penalty and second column penalty. Okay, so here this column is cancelled, so ignore this column. So if we hide this column, so what is the minimum? First lowest value 10 and the second lowest value is 19. So 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. This is our second row penalty. Again hide this column and the first lowest value is 40 and the second lowest value is 60. So 60 minus 40 is equal to what? 20. So we will put here 20. Again, in the third, here the first lowest value is 20 and the second lowest value is 40. So 40 minus 20 is equal to what? 20. Got it? After that, we find the column penalty. So in the column penalty, first lowest value is 19 and the second lowest value is 40. So we put here 40 minus 19, that means 20. This is our second column penalty. Next column is cancelled because so here we write dash because this column is cancelled. Okay. The third column is the lowest value is 40 and the second lowest value is 50. So 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. The last column is lowest value is 10 and the second lowest value is 20. So we put here 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the second row penalty and second column penalty. So after that we choose the maximum number. Okay, so what is the maximum number? Here 9, 20, 20, 21, then 10. That means 21 is the maximum number. So we use the first column for our allocation. Okay, so this is the confirm that first column we use for allocation. So in the first column, again we choose the minimum value. So minimum value is what? Minimum value is 19. So according to this 19, our supply is 7 and our demand is what? 5. So we put here 5 because of 5 is the minimum number. So this column is cancelled. That means our first column is cancelled and immediately write 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So this is the second allocation. Okay. So for finding the next allocation, again we write here the third row penalty and the third column penalty. Okay. So this column is cancelled. Okay, and this column is also cancelled. That means first and second column is cancelled. So here only two values are remaining. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 because our two columns are cancelled. 60 minus 40, 20. 70 minus 20, 50. Got it? And here the column is, so here we write that, here we write it because our columns are cancelled, first column and second column. So in the third column, lowest value is 40 and the second lowest value is 50. So 50 minus 40 is equal to 10. Got it? Next is first lowest value is 10 and the second lowest value is 20. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. So this is our third row penalty and third column penalty. So after finding the row penalty and column penalty, we choose the maximum number. So what is the maximum number? We here we write 40, 20, 50 and 10 and 10. So what is the maximum number? Maximum number is 15. Yes. So that is what this row is used for allocation. Okay. So this row is used for allocation and here only two cells are remaining. So what is the minimum number? Minimum number is 20. That is what here we allocate our supply is 10 and the demand is 14. So we put here what? We put here 10 number. So we write here 10. Immediate, if we write here 10, so immediate we write here remaining 4. Got it? So this row is cancelled. Sorry, this row is cancelled. Okay, so for finding the next penalty, got it? For finding the next penalty, in this question, we have fourth penalty. Fourth penalty, that means what? Here we find the fourth row penalty and here we find the fourth column penalty. In case, if you have already find the third row penalty and column penalty and after that you put here logically for supply and demand, so you don't worry, no need to find for the fourth row penalty and column penalty. Got it? Because here we have 4 cells, only 4 cells for allocation, 50, 10, 40 and 60. Because of these two columns are already cancelled and this third row is also cancelled. Okay, so we have only 4 allocation and here we have 9 supplies and here only 7 are demand and 4 are demand. So just if we put here the logically, so this is our final answer and if don't be confused, otherwise you find the fourth row penalty and fourth column penalty. So here if we find the fourth row penalty, so 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. 60 minus 40 is equal to 20. Okay, or this is the dash because of this row is cancelled and this column is also cancelled. So we write a dash, and here 50 minus 40, 10 and 60 minus 10 is equal to what? 50. Got it? So here what is the maximum number? Maximum number is the row penalty is 40, 20. And here column penalty is 10 and 50. So what is the maximum number? Maximum number is 50. Exactly. So here we confirm that our allocation is used for fourth column. Okay. So in the fourth column, first we choose the minimum number. So what is the minimum number? Minimum number is 10. Okay. So according to this 10, we have supply is 2 and the demand is 4. Got it? So what is the minimum number? Minimum number is 2. So we write here 2. Got it? If we write here 2, immediate we write here 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Always keep in mind, immediate if you put here allocation number, after that you write here total demand or supply and minus the allocation number. Okay, so this row is cancelled. That means first row is cancelled. Got it? So here only the values are 40 and 60. Got it? And here we put here 7 and if we put here 2. So these two columns are satisfied and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. That means supply is also satisfied. So put here logically, here we put 7 and here we put 2. Got it? So please track all this allocation. First condition is what? First condition is m plus n minus 1. That means we have total 6 allocation because of here supply is 3 and the demand is 4. That means 3 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 6. That means we have 6 allocations. So first you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means 6 allocations are correct. Next we check the supply and demand. First exercise. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 5, 8, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 10, 40. Okay, so here our allocations are total 6 and here supplies and demands are also equal. Okay, supplies and demands are also equal for our last allocation cell. So this is the correct allocation. So we find the total transportation cost. So for total transportation cost, we write here total transportation cost is equal to what? First is 19 into 5. So we write here 19 into 5. Second is 10 into 2. So we write here 10 into 2. Third one is 40 into 7. So we write here 40 into 7. Fourth is 60 into 2. So we write here 60 into 2. The next is 8 into 8. So we write here 8 into 8. And the next is 20 into 10. So we put here 20 into 10. Okay, that means so our total cost is equal to 779 rupees. So if a question given in 1000 form or like so, you must write here units. So this is the Google's approximation method. Thank you.